So here in the South, it can be challenging to have a really productive cool season garden because you actually have to get the majority of those plants started in late summer when the temperatures are still really high. But if we can plan ahead, we can actually have a really productive stand of some of our leafy crops. What we have here is romaine lettuce. This has already been harvested once and has come back. It is less cold tolerant, so when we get into freezing temperatures, if you want to sustain those, they'll need to be covered. But if you look behind us here, we have some kale growing, and kale as well as spinach is one of the cold hardiest crops that we can grow here for cool season annuals. Red borer kale would be one of the most cold tolerant, and you may even be able to grow that up into some northern areas of the United States. Luckily for us, we're aiming to harvest this while it's still in a vegetative state, so we're harvesting the leaves of this plant. We are not looking for this plant to go into flower or bolt, as one may say. As long as we have consistent cool temperatures and not huge fluctuations between cool and warm, these plants will stay in a vegetative state, and you'll be able to harvest these throughout the winter, just pulling off the most mature leaves, which are here at the bottom, and harvesting those as needed once they get to a desirable size and tenderness. Some people have different preferences. And also they tend to develop a better taste once they have a few hard frosts on the leaves. So that's another unique thing. They really love that cold weather and actually taste better when they get some frost on them.
Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.